I got this microphone set from Temu. Right here you can see everything that comes in the box. There's the charging port to charge it up with. Here are the two microphones with the little wind things that keeps the wind from blowing into the microphone. And here is the little adapter that goes into the phone. And here is the instruction booklet. When I put these into my phone for the first time, it did not work. I followed the instructions that was in the booklet, and it did not work. Once you hooks all of this up and put it onto your phone and everything, it's supposed to be like an icon that will show you if it is working. That is what the instruction booklet said. But as far as my phone, it did not work that way, so I had to do something a little bit different. Thanks to YouTube and researching how this worked, I thought this was a complete fail. And yeah, so I'm here to show you guys how this works. In order to get this to work on my phone, I had to download another app to my phone in order to make these microphones work. So right now I'm talking to you guys without these attached to my phone. So we're going to see what the difference is if I can get it to act right. Okay, you want to go to your app store where you download your apps onto your phone at. You want to go to that search bar, type in open camera. What you do after you install the app, it will ask you a few questions to give it permission to run on your phone and to allow it to use what it needs to use to download itself onto your phone. After it has downloaded, you installed it and all that good stuff, then you're going to see this very screen right here where it's going to say now to open. I'm going to hit that open button, go up here to the top right hand corner, hit that little settings wheel. After hitting that, you want to scroll down to video settings. Scroll down here till you see audio source. Hit that. Right here is where you will turn on the external mic. Alright, which you see I have highlighted. You want to come out of that. You want to come out of there. Then you want to go back again. Now you want to go up here to camera preview. Hit that. Now with this, it gives you this little level show audio level meter right here, which I have highlighted. It allows you to see that the microphone is picking up your voice or whatever it is that you're recording through that mic. Okay, to have like a little meter that goes back and forth, back and forth. All right, but you don't have to do this unless you want to. I chose to do it because that is how I know my microphones work. So after that, you're ready to go. Then you want to come all the way back out. And that's really it, guys. It'll be working. I will show you in a few seconds. I will go ahead now and put this microphone and turn this microphone on and connect this applicator thing into my phone. When you see me again, I will be in the open camera app and you will be able to hear how my voice sounds. I am in the open camera app and I am speaking out of one of my microphones. Do I sound different? But I won't be able to tell until after I film this little video. And yeah, this is a great little setup. So I hope that this helps and I thank you all so very much for watching.